Today, we are diving into a pretty important topic, one that can make or break your YouTube growth. Yup, you guessed it right. We are talking about YouTube tags. If you're not exactly sure what those are, or even if you have been underutilizing them, this is a video for you. What exactly are YouTube tags? Simply put, they are the keywords or phrases that you add to your video's details when you upload it to YouTube. They help YouTube understand what your content is about, and they assist in determining what and where to show your video. Tags are essential because they can boost your video's discoverability in searches, recommendations, and up next sections. So using the right tags is the key to increasing your views. Alright, now we know why tags are so important, but how do we add them to our videos? Well, it's a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step. Step 1. Once you're logged into your YouTube studio, click on the Create in the upper right corner. Then Upload Videos. Choose the video you want to upload. As your video uploads, you'll have the chance to add details. Step 2. Under the Details tab, you will find the Tag section. This is where you add your tags. Remember, these should be relevant to your video's content and the keywords you are aiming for. One pro tip here, guys, is to use both broad and specific tags. For instance, if your video is about making homemade pizza, you might use broad tags like food or cooking and specific tags like homemade pizza recipe or DIY pizza. And there you go. Hit save and your tags are set. Easy as pie, right? Now, let's talk about choosing the right tags. You see, just throwing any tag onto your video won't do. You need to carefully select them to match your content and what your viewers might be searching for. This is where keyword research comes in. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can be invaluable here. They provide insights into popular search terms and suggest tags based on these. When picking your tags, think about what your viewers might type into the search bar if they were looking for a video like yours. What words would they use? These should be included in your tags. Remember though, while tags are important, they should always be relevant to your video. Never add misleading or irrelevant tags just to get more views. This could lead to strike to your account and it's just not cool. Alright, now let's dive into optimizing your tags. You see, simply adding tags is not enough. We want to optimize them to make sure they are working as effectively as possible. How do you do this? Well, first consider using multi-words tag. Single words tag can be too broad and might not help your video stand out, but multi-word or phrases tags can be more effective at matching user searches. Next, try to use all the 500 characters YouTube allows for tags. The more relevant tags you have, the more opportunities YouTube has to understand your video and match it with potential viewers. But keep in mind, don't spam with irrelevant tags just to hit the limit. It's quality over quantity, folks. Our final topic for today is reviewing and adjusting your tags. You see, tagging is not a one-time thing. You should periodically review your tags to see if they are effective. Again, tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help with this. They allow you to see which tags are performing well and which ones might need to be replaced. Adjusting your tags based on performance can help your videos continue to reach viewers and grow your channel. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is always changing, and so are viewer behaviors. So your tags need to keep up. And there you have it, folks, your comprehensive guide to using tags on YouTube. Trust me, folks, if you start using tags correctly, you will see a noticeable difference in your views and discoverability.